What's up, guys? Ddubs Garage here. We are back, and this time we're thrashing on the Twinstar again. Basically, last time, as you guys remember, we got all the gaskets on here in the top end. I just didn't have my feeler gauge at home, but obviously I do now. The box is back. We're gonna make a run at this thing. So, gonna get the valve lash adjusted, valve cover back on, and then really start throwing this engine back in the Twinstar and get as far as I possibly can today, because I would love to have this thing ready for my client by spring. That would be amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and just get rolling on this thing. Come along for the ride. Going back in. So I found when I was going to reinstall this shifter that it was actually held in by like a wood screw, and it wasn't even grabbing anything, and then somebody actually siliconed the inside of the boot to try to hold it. So I'm going to try to go the extra mile here, and I'm actually going to weld this stainless nut inside of there. What I'll do is grind it down so it actually fits, and then we'll use this bolt to hold it so it actually looks nice. July, baby.